How's it going, everybody? Welcome back. So today I'm going to be looking at the best WordPress plugins that you can get. In a previous video, I brought up 10 best WordPress plugins. Today I thought I'd share 10 more very good WordPress plugins that you can use. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Of course, if you're interested in the first 10 WordPress plugins, you'll find them in the description down below. Today, we're going to get into the other 10. So of course, I'm using my favorite web hosting provider, and that'll be Hostinger. So I'll just go ahead and edit website, and it leaves me here. And then in the WordPress dashboard, as you can tell, just go to plugins, add new, and here we can just search the plugins. I have these installed and just wanted to share with you guys some really useful plugins that you can use, starting with Weglot. And this is the best WordPress translation plugin. By the way, if you guys are interested though in Hostinger, you'll find a full review in the description down below. You also find links to pricing and discounts if you want to jump straight to that. So Weglot is one of the best WordPress translation plugins that can automatically translate websites into 100+ languages. It also offers post-editing tools, allowing you to make appropriate changes to the translations. Its translation software follows multilingual SEO best practices to help translate metadata and language-specific URLs. Weglot also automatically redirects your audience to the suitable website language based on their browser settings. In addition, Weglot can further localize your customer's journey by translating key conversion steps such as pop-ups, forms, and email confirmations. Its multilingual glossary also helps you add terms, phrases, brands, and product names to keep your website translation consistent. Weglot has 6 pricing plans, offering a different number of features, words, and translated languages. The premium version costs approximately $10 to $500 a month. The exact pricing depends on the euro or US dollar rate on your subscription date, and to get a better deal, you should choose the annual payment. Though if you want to try Weglot first, the plugin offers a 10-day free trial. All right, so the second best plugin for today is going to be AddToAny. Now, this is the best social media integration plugin for WordPress, and AddToAny is one of the best free WordPress plugins for social media integration. In fact, this free plugin packs many features that rival many paid WordPress plugins. It supports more than 80 social media platforms, including Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. On the plugin settings panel, simply click on the desired platform to include it in the sharing buttons. There's no limit on how many social media buttons you can have. Just drag and drop the icons to rearrange the buttons to your liking. It's also possible to show counters for Facebook likes and Pinterest pins. This free plugin also provides an option to add floating buttons, so the social sharing buttons will stay in the same place even when the user scrolls through the page. AddToAny also has widget blocks to add social media follow buttons, inviting website visitors to follow your accounts. You can add CSS or JavaScript code snippets to customize all the buttons as well. So it's a pretty useful plugin. Now, the third plugin for the day is going to be MailChimp for WordPress. And this is the best email subscription plugin. MailChimp for WordPress is a popular WordPress plugin to build a subscription list for your MailChimp account. The free version lets you list up to 2,000 subscribers. And creating a subscription form using this plugin is easy. Its user-intuitive interface offers plenty of pre-made fields. All you have to do is select which ones to display on the form. It will show you a form preview, although the code view also comes in handy to rearrange its structure or tweak the pre-built texts. The free version lets you customize the form appearance using basic or predefined form themes. Alternatively, the form can inherit the styles from the site's active theme. And if you wish to have a style builder, you'll need to upgrade to the premium plan. Okay, so number 4 on the list is going to be WPMail SMTP, and this is the best newsletter plugin. Now, WPMail SMTP plugin works best paired with an email subscription plugin like MailChimp for WordPress, and this newsletter plugin will help you send emails to your subscriber list for marketing campaigns. Now, website owners often face problems when the WordPress site doesn't send emails as it should. SMTP solves this issue by configuring the WP_mail function to use a proper SMTP mail server. The plugin also includes many SMTP providers to choose from, like smtp.com, Sendinblue, Microsoft, and Google. Setting up the SMTP only takes a few clicks, and alternatively, the setup wizard will guide you through the process according to your SMTP choice. Now, the fifth one is going to be Smashballoon Social Post Feed. And this is the best Instagram integration plugin for WordPress, especially for embedding photos on a WordPress site. It's easy to set up. All you have to do is install the plugin, connect to your account, customize the feed, and embed Instagram posts using the new block. The feed is customizable in various ways. You can define the height and width of the feed so that it fits nicely on your site and also determines how many photos to display. Moreover, the feed is fully responsive to ensure it will look good on mobile devices. If you opt for the Pro version, you'll get 4 additional layout types: grid, carousel, Mansory, and highlight. The Pro version also lets you create a feed for hashtags, tagged posts, or display a combination of different feeds on the website. Now, the fifth one in today's list is going to be Booking Calendar, which is among the best WordPress booking plugins. This plugin has more than 60,000 active installations and offers plenty of features, even with the free version. And you can easily add a calendar to show available time slots and a form for users to make an appointment. Embedding the calendar is very simple, as the plugin has a dedicated block that you can use on the page or post editor. There are also various shortcodes for customizing the calendar interface, and the back-end system on the WordPress dashboard is also user-friendly, providing a calendar overview where you can see and manage submitted appointments. The setting page offers plenty of configuration options. You can set unavailable days and time pickers for the calendar's time slots. There are also settings to enable CAPTCHA to prevent spam entries and an autofill feature for logged in users. In the form section, you can also customize the booking submission form. The interface is very easy to use. Simply drag and drop items to rearrange the fields. Booking Calendar also supports Google Calendar integration to import events. If you use the Booking Manager plugin, it's also possible to export and import .ics files to and from external websites. All right, now the seventh plugin on today's list is going to be the Events Calendar. And the Events Calendar is the perfect calendar plugin for managing events and inviting users to sign up and join them. The backend interface lets you quickly create events, adding various details such as venues, contacts, entry cost, and external links. Each event will have a dedicated page to display all the information. Now, use the event list block to embed the event calendar to a post or a page where site visitors can select a list, month, or day view. Clicking on any event will take them to the detailed event page, and this plugin offers integration with Google Calendar and iCalendar to easily export any event to users' accounts. It also works seamlessly with the Event Tickets plugin to add RSVP management and ticket selling features to your calendar. Number 8 on this list is going to be Knowledge Base for documentation and facts. And this is the best wiki plugin for WordPress. The setup wizard lets you set up the knowledge base in just a few clicks. There are 17 pre-made layouts to choose from, and you can customize their colors, labels, and fonts. Adding categories and articles is easy as the interface is similar to the WordPress dashboard. Moreover, the plugin uses the WordPress block editor to create a knowledge base article, so you'll get used to it in no time. With this plugin, it's possible to create up to 5 levels of documentation hierarchy. Therefore, you don't need an add-on or code tweaks to create complex documentation. A built-in search box makes it easy for users to find relevant articles too. Knowledge Base for documentation and facts works seamlessly with various page builders, including Elementor, Visual Composer, and Divi. Number 9 on this list will be Forminator, and this is the best quiz plugin. Now, Forminator is a WordPress quiz plugin that lets you build forms, surveys, polls, and calculation. Thanks to its expandability and integrated features, I consider this the best quiz plugin for WordPress sites. Using Forminator, you can create 2 types of quizzes, knowledge and personality quizzes. In addition, it lets you choose between non-paginated and paginated quiz designs. The editor comes with a drag and drop builder that lets you arrange questions and answers easily. The quiz appearance is also completely customizable from the layout and fonts to its colors. You can even add custom CSS and translation files to your quizzes. With Forminator, you can use quizzes and interactive polls as a lead generation strategy. There's an option to take a lead form for quiz takers. Forminator has a default lead generation form, so you don't have to make one yourself. And participants can even share their own results on social media, strengthening your business's online presence. Embed the quiz to your page or post simply by adding the Forminator block and selecting any quiz created. And the final plugin for today is going to be Connections Business Directory. And Connections Business Directory is a free WordPress directory plugin for posting compelling information about your business location or staff members. It comes with 3 free templates that are customizable using the WordPress customizer. However, premium templates and extensions are available on the Connections website for more layout options and features. The plugin lets you use repeatable fields to display information like address, phone number, and email. You can set each entry as public, private for logged in users only, and unlisted, meaning only administrators can see it. With the hierarchical category support, you can add categories and include any business or member hierarchically. Lastly, the Retina display support makes it possible to include a responsive image on each entry. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed these plugins right here. These are some of the best plugins. So again, if you're looking for the first best 10 plugins video for WordPress, you'll find the video in the description down below. Here are 10 more plugins. If you guys are interested in more, let me know in the comments down below. And again, if you're interested also in Hostinger, you'll find the review down below, and you'll find links to pricing and discounts if you want to save a little bit more on your Hostinger subscription. And of course, like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything web hosting. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.